Hey everyone, welcome back to Code ABAP, our channel where we break down SAP ABAP concepts in a very simpler way. This video will talk about top 5 ABAP statements that every developer must know. Should you? It is not just what they are, but how and where they are used in real projects. Whether you are building a reports, smart forms, or any reports as well. These are daily deliverables. So grab a coffee and let's go to the real ABAP.
Statement is select and select. Let's start with the classic select and select. This is how we pull the data directly from SAP tables, whether it's Mara table from material or KNA from customers or VBAC for sales order. Select is everywhere. For example, let's create a scenario. You are creating a sales report. You need all orders placed in the last 30 days. This is where select helps you to retrieve the filter data. Next, we have a loop pad. I tab into work area. Whether you are working with internal table, you need to loop through them to read or manipulate data. For example, you have to fetch order data into an internal table. Now you want to calculate the revenue, loop through each order and add up to the amount. Looping is the backbone of the report generation, validation and dynamic processing. The third statement is if else if. ABAP program often needs to act differently depending on the condition like user roles, status or flags. For example, if the customer is VIP, offer a discount, else apply standard rates. Simple but super powerful. The fourth one is modify. Statement number 4 is modify, which means it is used when you need to update the value inside an internal table. For example, let's say you are recalculating item prices based on new tax. Modify each row after your logic runs. Final and the last one is the call function. This function is used to execute function module. As we know that ABAP is a modular language, if our task is used often, say calculating tax or updating the material stock, it's likely already wrapped into the usual function module. For example, you want to convert a date from user format to system format. Just a call function like conversion exists alpha input. So there you go. These are the top 5 statements that every developer should master in the ABAP field. Let me know in comments which one do you use the most or which one confused you the most. In the next video we will cover internal table types and which one to use when. If you learned something new today, do me a favor. Like the video, share it with your ABAP buddy and hit the subscribe button so you never miss practical SAP ABAP content again. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning.